So biosimilars come into our daily clinical life, and the ESMO consensus paper here reflects that biosimilars will be more or less routinely used. We will save about $50 to $100 billion per year. So what does the clinician do with that? We have learned, it was our own learning curve, that a substance is normally not known. So we develop pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and the big pool of evidence comes from clinical and safety out of clinical trials. Now it's a reverse engineering process, and it's also reverse thinking. That means once we know that we can rely on the biochemistry and the biology of an agent, which is reflected by the pharmacokinetics and the pharmacodynamics, then we do not necessarily need to build up the whole clinical set again, because we already know it. So it's only a confirmatory study or some few studies that need to be done, and then we can extrapolate not only within one tumor from metastatic to neoadjuvant, for instance, or adjuvant, but also from one tumor entity to the other. And this will be very pronounced with bevacizumab coming in, because then we will probably extrapolate from NSCLC, where response rate comes very fast, so it will be a fast clinical trial, to ovarian, colorectal, cervical, glioblastoma, breast, and maybe others. So extrapolation is how we will proceed with biosimilars.